Well, look at who it is. Haven't seen us in a while, but there's new characters and new cubes, so new videos. Now, so Disney and Friends Volume 2. Volume 1 was Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto. Volume 2 is Donald, Daisy, and Goofy. So that's the core group, I guess, right? Unlike previous waves, Cryptoys did things a little bit differently, like they did with Wave 3 of Star Wars, where Wave 1 was you open it and it could be any one of the 3 characters, any rarity. This time it's a little bit different, where now this is all Donald. So we've got 5 Donalds, which could be any of the rarities. Let's go take a quick look at those and see who we like, in case people forgot what the rarities look like. So here they all are going to look like. Donald is just adorable. So let's see. Here are the rarities. Our common looks just like you would expect Donald to look like. Rare gives him that 90s look. If you're Mickey and Minnie, had that very 90s theme. Looks like a scene from Saved by the Bell. And then Legendary gets into that neon-y look of things, right? Is that like glowing? Grail gives us the crystal look. Right? Pluto's crystal was amazing. Donald looks great also, right? Look at the camera, how speckly and sparkly it is. I love his hat. And then Ultra Grail, of course, is that space looking theme, that cosmic.
I don't remember what the like gem Pluto looked like.
Oh, you don't? Well, let's take a quick look and go back to them and then see who we're going to pull here. So, Mickey and Friends, Volume 1. Let's see. Oh, there's Pluto. Another quick look at all of them, right? Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto, exactly as you would expect them to look like from the cartoons. There's that 90s theme. There's the neon theme, right? And Pluto was my favorite in this one. And there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's just super cute. Love it all.
No,
Mickey was great, too.
Yeah,
the red and Mickey was good.
Yeah. I just realized that none of them have, like, gem eyes.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh,
and there's the Ultra Grail Space Cosmic.
Yeah, go back up. And Minnie, that flower isn't like a gem either.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Good catch. So there you go. All right, so let's go to Donald and see who we get. And you know the way it works. When it's new, we stop. When it's a dupe, we keep going. It's the first one, so you're only going to get 1 cube this video because we don't have any yet. And in videos to come, we'll see.
I thought we do...
When it's a dupe, we keep going because, right? We celebrate something new and stop. All right. It's been a while. In previous polls, Nikki said we always do number 1. Is that going to be the same? Or you're changing it up? Oh, he's taking over. Oh, he's doing the old eye close. And you're up by the words.
Where?
Up by backpack. Okay. Just try going back and forth without going around in circles. There you go. Ah.
3.
Right in the middle. Okay. Black and white cartoon. I kind of forgot, honestly. Okay. You can open it. Click and hold. Oh, now go. There we go. It's going. Oh, maybe it's not. There we go. Oh, man! First pull is a Grail. Look at that. There's our gem Donald Duck and his little gem crystal camera. Wow, out of the gate we pull a Grail. Good call, bud. And number 543. Look at that statometer. That is amazing. He's so cute. cute. I love it. Awesome pull. All right, guys. Wait, let's go here. I was ready for this. Any day. Here it comes. And Grail Donald. Boom. That is a great. So we have 4 cubes and 4 rarities, right? Maybe next we'll get a common, a rare, a legendary, and an ultra grail. Maybe our first ultra grail is in there. If our luck holds out. We'll see. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching as always, and we will see you tomorrow. See you then.